film photography is really something. And if you're watching this video, I guess you're also into film photography. So today I want to share a story why or how I got into film photography camera, and all thanks to this camera, Zenit camera. So hey guys, my name is Prem Solanki. Let's get started. If you remember the intro, you saw this camera is no more a camera, it's a dead body. So yeah, there is a tragic end to it, but story still continues. How did I got this camera in the first place? So me and my friend Shreyas Gami were exploring the Mumbai, and every week we used to go different places and explore them, and one such place was Chor Bazaar, where we went to buy the old lens for the Nikon, which I'm using currently to record this video. 50, some old 135 lens something. And during the exploration with Chor Bazaar, we came across a camera shop, and there we saw a lot of film cameras. And at the time, I have, or not Shreyas, have zero idea about the film cameras. We know what is a film cameras obviously, but we have zero idea like. So during the time when we were exploring that place, we found one and we were in college time, so we don't have much budget. So we thought we will see how it goes, and so instead of buying a lens, we thought to buy a camera, and we end up buying Zenit. Okay, and that too not from a shop, just from a roadside vendor. He had a Zenit in with bag, and he said like 1500, 2000, and we bargained 2000 rupees in 2018, not in 20 terms. And at the time, I was like, what's there to lose? Because this camera was also coming with a lens which is Helios 44 or 58 and whatever that lens is, and that I have heard very good things about that lens. And so I thought at the end of the day, if we don't end up using the camera, still we'll have the lens. So for 1000 rupees for that lens is still really good deal, so there's nothing to lose. So we got the camera, and then we went to Marine Drive, and that's where I clicked this picture, okay, of myself just trying to frame something with this camera, and we both were really excited. I came back to Hyderabad, and I went to the exploration of finding a roll, because now I have a camera, I need to try it. So I went to buy rolls, but anyway, I got the roll. I opened the box. It was really exciting. It was really new, and I opened the bag. Then I installed the roll, and then I advanced the film. So guys, this is a Kodak Color Plus 200 speed 36 exposure film, which I got for 450 rupees, Indian rupees. So let's open it. So how to open it now? So the reason I got this film is very important, because this is only the film I can get nearby store. So I got this film, and this is the first time I am loading a film inside a film camera. We have to remove, okay, this thing, okay. Everything is on cool. So we'll take this roll. So they said like to keep two thing here, roll this out, keep here. Am I doing wrong? Something wrong, I guess.
Okay, uh, done. I took my first photo on film, which will not come because that part is not exposed part. So I should set this to 0.
I watched few videos, not much, but few videos I watched how to install MDAS. Then here I go to shoot the videos. I mean, shoot the photo, obviously. And the thing was, Zenit has what you call this light meter, but it was not working. So I was using my phone as a light meter, which was, I guess, fine. And since it was first ever role that I'm gonna shoot, I was really excited and I want to it all to be perfect. That perfection got into me. I was looking for a moment to capture some nice, that kind of like light shadow, something to capture. I started capturing the photos with Zenit, and what happened was I was enjoying it. The process was really good because before taking any photo, I have to think 10 times. Okay, this shot is there. Is it a good enough shot or not? Okay, how should I frame it? Will it be in focus or not? Okay, what setting should I use? What shutter speed should I use? Because I can't just take click, okay, it is dark. ISO up or down, nothing. Because ISO is fixed, aperture only I have, and the shutter speed has to be also this go to 500. I was taking my phone and taking the exposure, is right or wrong. All this process was going on and was really interesting because before taking any shot, I was thinking really hard and trying to make all the photo look as good as possible to my capabilities. And during the time, Shreyas also came to Hyderabad to visit, and we he captured a few photos. I get some. If I find the videos, now the videos are playing back in the background. That's how we took a lot of photos, and I tried to capture so like eclipse also. And what happened was the shooting was done, right? I finished the role, right? Now it was time to unload the role and how to do it. So basically, we have a lever here to unwind it. I was trying to unwind it was very resistant. Like I tried to force it, I tried to play. I thought since it's an old camera, it got stuck. So I tried really hard, tried really hard to do that. It was not coming, and after a while, it got loose and it came. Okay, and then I thought now since it got loose, I thought the whole roll has been unrolled into the film can, and so I opened the pack. As I opened, I got a mini like splat. Like at the moment, when I opened the pack, the film was still there. I immediately closed it, but if you know the film, even a split seconds of light, it was all. I was already in a very dark room because still, that millisecond means the whole roll has been ruined. And later I found out un to unroll the roll, you need to press a button bottom. When you click that button, then only it can disengage, then only you can unroll. But I learned really hard way, and yeah, it was terrifying. But few 5-6 photos I was able. They went inside the roll, and these were few of the photos that I captured, and that's why they turned out not so great at all. But still, I loved them. Then I had the second roll, so I started with the second roll and started capturing. Then it was going really good. Now I know I have one more experience better than before. So I was going and taking photos, all was going good. Then one day something happened, I rolled something, it got stuck, I clicked, I was unable to do advancing. Then this time carefully I clicked the unbind button, unroll it, all the film. Then that's what I saw, found out that this camera shutter got stuck, and this camera then I got into more into film photography, everything, how what kind of camera. I did a lot of research and found out that these cameras are not reliable. And it has a curtain shutter, which is even not the best shutter mechanism in terms of reliability. Leaf shutter is the best, which still this new camera, digital camera, also use a leaf shutter. So that was the case, and that was the end of this era. And few days ago, I was just going to my stuff and I found this camera, and if only there was a way I could repair it, and the repairing cost is too much, and in that price I can just buy a camera only. So I myself just did some dismantling just to see how it worked. Like that. But yeah, because of this Zenit camera, I got introduced to film photography, and later I have bought so many cameras. Like I bought Nikon EM, I bought Minolta, other SLR, rangefinders. I also 3D printed a medium format camera, and I shot almost like 15 to 20 rolls now. And like, well, those, and I'll talk about those camera in future. But yeah, since I'm starting this YouTube thing again and about film photography, so I just want to pay my tribute to this camera. Because of this only I have started the film photography journey. So yeah, and so I hope by watching this video at least you learn before using your camera. Read the manual, that is mandatory. Actually really mandatory. There are a lot of things in this. They are really manual, but they are really high tech. They have a lot of options that you can learn. So which you can watch YouTube videos if they are available, but if they are not, all the manuals are available for all the cameras. So just search the model number and manual and try to learn from it. Because at the end you don't just want to know the settings and if they're exposure, composition, light metering, all this stuff. So yeah, nice talking to you guys. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.